So far, we have completed construction of 168 kilometers of road, and the remainder of 39 kilometers will be finalized soon.
Omugabana we county ya Gusii Simba Paul Arati emambia lero niga ikasama gachebunge county ya Gusii elio kubairira ba MCA amunamenyi be county ya Gusii igoro yali akolire nalia agochigokora asemya kene yatigaire uno mugabana we county ya Gusii.
Speaker, completion of Ibeno, Birongo, Keumbu, Gusii Central and Bobaracho Ward in Nyaribari Chache. Completion of Machoge Bus, Bosoti Sengera, Boch Borabu, Bombaba, Borabu, Bokimonge and Magencha Ward offices in Mumachoge, Borabu.
Ase chinkwane chio chiarukobuna Gusii County State Address Arati niga kwanira igoro yali akolire inseyo mwaka yomo oyo abeira abisibuno mugabana bwe county ya Gusii ayale gati yechipara chinyagitali nechabis ao constituency chonsi pikianda ime county ya Gusii naboigo amuna magenderande amange.
I'm happy to report that with the support of these honorables, we introduced the county bursary program where we dispersed a total of Kenya shillings 145 million, with each ward of 45 wards receiving 3 million. You can agree with me that it is important that the bursary money reaches all needy and bright children in the village, and this is very crucial in realizing the dream of these children. Going forward, in this financial year, we have increased the allocation to 225 million, with each ward receiving a total of Kenya shillings 5 million. Equally, I did launch the Elim and Simba scholarship, which is a personal initiative aimed at sponsoring needy students from poor background to access secondary education. To improve infrastructure in our learning institutions, we invested 24.4 million in construction of 22 ECD classrooms, 1 hostel, and 9 BTRA trains in various centers across the county. The planned projects for the sector includes, Mr. Speaker, construction of 145 ECD classrooms at the cost of 161.9 million.
Ase ensemo yechichiro nigo mugabana abeka bene chiria chiaga chirwe naboigo chiria chigo chikwagachwa ase amatukale bosio na kolia eira munango chikuimukereria ligoro ensemo yebiasara mono bonchoreria ase e county ya Gusii.
Ase Bokitauri ward Ititi Matongo Mbogeka ward, Nyakioigiro in Bomorenda ward, Maroba in Boochi Tendere ward, Nyamasege in Bosot Sengera, Suguta and Arura Market in Getenga ward, Nyakeyo and Nyakoora in Kegogi ward, Egetuki in Machoge Bus ward, and Otanchi in Masige West. Other market sheds will be built at Orogari and Mosaria in Masige East, Bobaracho in Monyerero ward, Kera Bridge in Nyacheki ward, Kenyerere and Sameta in Sameta Mukwerero ward.
Ase chinkwane chio chiemase mokorwa ase magachebunge county ya Gusii mugabana boigo nigaera igoro yebiti byechigosori ebyo akwanira bigenda koroswa chi constituency ao ime county ya Gusii na boigo kwanda igoro yegeti kya Gusii stadium ekyo kagenda koroswa ase shilingi milioni 30 cyabegetu kando eligo karabati gosikorosi ekyo na boigo amune biti binde chinsemo ao ebyatenga bigenda koroswa na boigo ebinde nigo biraroswe ase amatukale bosio arati boigo anigo amotogia na kwimukeria tali ya igoro Mary Mura oyo nyara ko bagako bwa chimbero cha Budapest na kumwakira munambuya asoko imukereria lietali mu Gusii igoro.
We have set aside Kenya shillings 30 million for renovation of the stadium, which includes construction of a retainer wall, maintenance of civil works, and the installation of backup power source, solar and a generator. Mr. Speaker, in the sub-counties, we are reviving the Stolmaran Stadium, where we have set aside 7.6 million for leveling the pitch, building a steel pavilion, fencing, and building a gate. Other projects include Nyantrago Social Hall, Kiobegi Stadium, Suguta Metembe, Sosera, Geturi, Etanda, Itibo, Kiogo, Riondonga, Ititi, Bokita, Gesero, Yamontinga, Kerina, Genga, Mwata, Metembe, Kisaro, Nyasagati, Igonga, Nyamiobo, Ichuni, Bobaracho, Nyangweta SDA, and the Mariba Primary Schools ground, where works include leveling grounds, installation of goalposts and nets, laying grass and fencing. I wish to commend our sportsmen and the women who continue carrying the Gusii county flag higher, conquering the world in various sports disciplines. I salute, Mr. Speaker, Commonwealth, the game's champion, Mary Mura, who is in the house, Mr. Speaker, who is with us today for our starring performance in 800 meters during the athletics champion in Budapest.
Asogokorera Arati nigabakira Abagusii mbuya ase okomwachi nkicinyororo cyokore miremo naboigo kubulia barayi bonsi kurwa asorongorwa Gusii kumubwatisia na okolega asia sobwamo otarigiri chinsemo ao chage siasa.
Thank all those who have stood with us, remembered us in prayers and walked with us through this journey. We may not be there now, but we will be there. It will not be easy, but we will make it. I urge all leaders in the county assembly and beyond to work together for the good of the people who have entrusted us with the opportunity to serve them.
Kuripoteria Abagusii Global Radio kurwa samagache bunge ye county ya Gusii, Samaritan Videlis o Mushogi.